In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Facebook Meta Pixel to your Wix website. This process is essential if you want to track visitor activity on your site and gain valuable insights about user interactions. With these insights, you can optimize your ad targeting and boost your marketing efforts. So let's dive right in and simplify this process for you. First up, you'll want to prepare your Facebook account. If you haven't already created a Facebook ads account, it's time to do so. Simply go to the Facebook Business Manager and follow the prompts to set up your account. It's a straightforward process where you'll need to provide basic information about your business. Once that's done, navigate to the Events Manager. This is your go-to place for managing your pixel. There you'll need to create a new pixel if you haven't yet. Facebook will guide you through this process, prompting you to name your pixel and link it to your website. Remember to double check all your details before hitting Continue. Now that you're set with your pixel, it's time to connect it through Wix. Open your Wix dashboard and go to your site's settings. Here, look for the Marketing Integration section. This is usually the hub for all things related to third-party apps and services. Once you're there, find the option for Facebook Pixel. Wix makes this easy by having a direct field where you can enter your Pixel ID. Input the Pixel ID you've just created from Facebook. Ensure you accurately copy it to prevent any errors. Hit Save, and Wix will automatically integrate the pixel into every page of your website. This step is crucial because it allows Facebook to start gathering data from your site visitors seamlessly. The final step is to verify the installation of your Meta Pixel. It's important to check that everything is working as it should. Go back to your Facebook Events Manager. Here, you can use the testing tool to simulate traffic and see if your pixel is firing correctly. In Events Manager, input the URL of your Wix site and hit Send Test Traffic. If everything has been set up correctly, you'll see the activity reflected in the dashboard within a few minutes. If not, ensure that your Pixel ID was entered correctly on Wix and double-check all settings. Also, consider using the Facebook Pixel Helper Chrome extension. It's a handy tool to diagnose any remaining issues with your Pixel setup. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to add Facebook Meta Pixel to your Wix website. By following these steps, you'll have a powerful mechanism in place for gathering data, optimizing your marketing strategies, and ultimately enhancing your online presence. Thanks for watching, and happy marketing!